Good morning, everyone. Oh, it's a beautiful morning. Oh, this view is not so good. Let's try the other side. Here. Wow, look at the nice seaside view from my hotel room. Beautiful. Okay, let's walk over to the other side, the living room, and see what we can see from here. This is the city of Kuantan. You can see the Kuantan Tower right there in the distance. And then there are some old kampongs still here around the hotel vicinity. Okay, let's go for breakfast. This is the breakfast restaurant. Starting over here, the coffee and tea. And I see some nasi lemak. Some local dishes here. Looks like they are carrot cake or something. And then over here is the soft boiled eggs. Wow, and all the sauces there. Okay, let's walk over to this side. You see the pastries and the toast bread. And then over here some salad. Wow, look at the selection. Really nice. Okay, and then on the opposite side, we have the fruits counter, the congee, and some local noodles that you can cook yourself and enjoy. Wow. And lastly, over here is the cornflakes, which I'm going to have now. Okay, so this is what I got. Some ham, bun, cheese, salad, and over here is the lontong goreng with sausage, some cornflakes, and of course the congee and the piping hot coffee. Look at that. What a beautiful breakfast. Yum yum. Okay, that was a beautiful breakfast. Now I'm just walking outside the restaurant to take a look around the hotel. And this side is facing the sea. Okay, let me just walk over here. Whoops. Okay. Wow, it's a hot and sunny morning. It's low tide now. Look at the nice beach. Heading over this side, you can see the mouth of the Kuantan River over there. And here is the first view of the hotel in the daylight. Wow, look at how tall it is. It's a really beautiful morning.
Open minds in a cage, hungry hearts in a rage, glowing eyes in a daze, turning around in a hurry, hoping you will come along. I'm running as fast as I can, in a desperate need of a plan. It's the work of one little man. I'm fading out from the story. Am I a passionate man?
Okay, now I'm going to take a grab car ride to walk around this city of Kuantan. Just going over this bridge now. And from this bridge you can see the beautiful Kuantan River right there. It's just a short drive away, probably about 10 minutes, 50 minutes if there's a jam. And here it is. First stop is the Kuantan 188 Tower. So I just got off the grab car and then walking through this park, you can see this tower right there. And just across the tower is the Kuantan River, and my hotel is right there, you can see in the distance. Okay, here is the Kuantan River. Nice view of it, panoramic view. And just there is the Kuantan 188 Tower, just nearby. Okay, and then crossing the road across from the Kuantan Tower is the Kuantan Art Street. See a lot of stalls here. I think they are open only at night. It's pretty hot now. Okay, so here it is, the Kuantan Art Street. Well, this place used to be very dark and gloomy, but a group of about 13 individuals, they team up together to draw the painting on the walls to make this place look a bit more lively, yeah? So this whole stretch of Kuantan Art Street is about 200 meters long. And then it really took them quite a while to finish this beautiful job. Wow, look at that. And the drawings are all about the essence of Pahang and its lifestyle and icons, etc, etc. Wow, look at this one, beautiful. And some of them, since they are painted on 3-story buildings, they actually have to use a crane to get up there to paint. A lot of effort needed here. Oh, it's so beautiful. Pretty hot now. So carry an umbrella or something, or sunscreen or something, so you can tolerate the heat. Here is a map of the place. Okay. Walking along the Art Street. Okay, here is the end of it. You see this sign, and I see a lot of awards being given to this place. Wow, they really recognize their efforts here. Wow. Yeah, like I said earlier, it's pretty hot, so be prepared if you're coming in the morning or afternoon. I found this retro looking watch shop, and I got my battery changed since I'm here. This place kind of reminds me of Katong in Singapore.